We've seen cracks in the walls, cracks in the ceilings, just hairline cracks. But last November, going down into the unfinished basement, I noticed a crack in the cement block wall. I couldn't get my fingertip in there, but it was there, it was visible. Less than 3 months later, my fingertip would go completely in. That wall also had somewhat of water issues just at the very bottom. We knew we needed to get estimates and get something done about this wall as it was starting to lean in toward the inside of the house.
After I noticed that the crack was getting larger, I made some phone calls to several contractors, got 4 different prices, and the price I got from Ultra Dry Waterproofing was almost too good to be true. One of the quotes that we had was actually removing our wall and completely replacing it. It was up to $15,000, and this is a third of the price without all the major work done. I mean, we couldn't have been happier. Some of the estimates were 1 to 2 weeks of full work, tearing my basement completely apart, maybe not even living here. So, you know, we were very happy that the job got done so quickly. The owner himself came out and talked to us. He went over what exactly he had to do.
It means more to actually meet the people and discuss everything that can be done the right way.
We looked at 4 other companies. One was the wall anchor, and with just one simple little metal plate, and with us actually cranking on it weekly or bi-weekly, you know, they said the wall would go back into place. I didn't believe that. I didn't want to have to do any of my work. I wanted the wall fixed. And I watched a video, and they showed me how they have this new product called the Inforcer and how it straightened basement walls. One thing I really liked about the whole system, it's very simple. When Mike came out here and started to work, he told me what was going to happen step by step. Open up the floor, and it's not a very big hole, but they had to jackhammer the floor out, the concrete out, and place the end into the ground. Hook it to the floor joist. And he showed me how they cranked it. And again, it's very simple. They had to work around some of my existing plumbing, which they had to remove. They replaced it all. When the crew came in, they set up the system. They were very neat, they were very clean. Halfway through the project, when they had the first Enforcer in, he called us down and said, "Look at this, the wall's straight." And I couldn't believe it. My wall was cracked where there was almost a 2-inch gap at the top of the floor joists. And he had it put back. My wall was straight as can be. You know, I don't have to go down and crank on the wall every month. I was very happy.
The best part was, it was not an inconvenience to us.
You know, I have a lot of plantings outside around my basement wall. None of it was touched. Everything was done from the inside. Within 2.5, 3 days, the project was done, and we can move on. It's just not a temporary fix. It's not just to stop it from going further. It's back to where it should be.
Now that the wall's straight and they've waterproofed, we are going to finish that side of the basement and make it a usable living area for our home.
We do have a lifetime transferable warranty. So if we ever go sell a house, the warranty goes with it, and you know, the new owner won't have to worry about any problem with the wall.
It could have collapsed our wall if we didn't fix it right away. And to have that done that quickly for the price that we were quoted is the best choice we've made since we lived in this house.
It's just been a very good experience for me. I haven't had to deal with many contractors, and this is one that it was a very good experience.
Ultra Dry is definitely somebody we would recommend.